The station was maneuvered to the capture attitude a little after 3 o'clock this morning. That was completed in short order in about 4 or 5 minutes. And the station was reported to be in the proper capture attitude at 3:09 this morning. And in fact, Scott Kelly, the commander of the station, at 3:21 reported to Houston a tally-ho, meaning he had a visual view of the Cygnus spacecraft that was reported at 2.65 kilometer distance, or 1.65 statute miles, while the two spacecraft traveled high above the South Atlantic at an altitude of about 257 statute miles. Now inside 32 meters, 104 feet from the station, standing by for the next staging point at 30 meters. Beautiful view of the brand new Cygnus spacecraft as Cygnus and the space station approach the southern coast of Chile. And on board, the crew is repositioning the cameras. That's the movement that you see. That's actually being controlled by the crew. They're setting up their own camera views in preparation for the final approach of the Cygnus during this rendezvous phase with the International Space Station. The European Space Agency Columbus Laboratory coming into view there in the bottom of the picture. And there you see the Canadarm2, the major contribution provided by the Canadian Space Agency experts in robotics, space robotics. This gives a very good relative distance of Cygnus to the International Space Station, and the end effector, the latching end effector on the Canadarm2.
Houston at 20 meters as far as the quarter monitoring, everything's lined up perfectly.
Copy, bullseye at 20 meters.
The coast of South Africa falling away beneath the station at an altitude of 254 statute miles, crossing the coastline north of Cape Town. And you see that distance closing now, about to reach a point, what's known as the capture point. And you saw the view from the latching end effector camera, and you can clearly see the grapple pin on the Cygnus spacecraft. A beautiful view of this brand new cargo vehicle, the commercial cargo vehicle arriving at the station as the two spacecraft currently fly high above Zimbabwe, tracking northeasterly across the African continent. And unfortunately, we'll probably lose our television for the next 15 or 20 minutes as we've lost a communications link through the KU band system. And capture confirmed. 5:19 a.m. Central, 6:19 Eastern Time.